Oh yeah, you're gonna need the key.
The key's gonna make it much easier.
Paul needs the key. That's the thing.
My husband's on my phone. I'm saying there's some kind of-
Yeah, just crank.
Yeah, I was gonna say stop. Dear.
We're gonna get a can of brake clean, and we're gonna just do a hole a little bit.
I've got some starter fluids here.
Oh, he has starter
Oh
fluid.
yeah, starting fluid's rough on it.
Yeah. Do the little brake clean action.
Brake clean's a little better. Oh, Allie's filming back there too. Ooh, dual cam.
Yeah. Ugh, these
Oh,
lights.
I will.
It's full gas.
Oh, it is. All right, good.
It's absolutely full gas. It should fire at any point. Well, T, fuel pump, duh. Jesus, man. That's not the question you asked.
Okay. Okay, Paul. Crank it. Go. All right, get a little more.
Stop,
All
stop,
right,
stop, 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 stop.
Crank it, Paul. Okay, I hate using ether, but because we're out of brake clean, come here, squirt your can. Go right there.
We need to order like a case of it then.
Brake clean.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think
got
we're,
a couple.
isn't that, I think we're fresh out. I think that was the
That
last
was
one.
The last can. It had like no propellant in it. Okay, Paul, I'll run the throttle. You just crank. We're leaking right here. Let's crank that down to 3/4. It's leaking. Well, that 3/4 is.
More excited about the start and less about the fucking leak.
It might. See if it's even getting more out of it. If not, we might have to put pressure on it. Oh well, there you go. All right, Paul, try it again. Hit it. Still pissing.
Is it still leaking?
But other than that, it runs good.
Is it
So let's
still
get a
leaking?
half and a
I didn't
3/4.
see
Yeah,
it.
it's leaking.
I just
So
watched.
we're gonna
Oh, it
we'll
is?
probably put a crush washer on that. It's leaking past the gasket.
Oh, it came as well. Okay.
Allie's on the
Oh,
phone.
because on your side.
We just got to
See a
change
little
one
bit of
seal.
whiteness right there
Pissing.
on that.
But other than that, it seems good. I just want to let her warm up. Woo! Let me get that part.
Oh yeah.
3/4.
I'm just being dramatic. Just for
Where's the
fun.
leak come from?
Right here.
Right in this one.
Right, one of this to this, right, coming into the carburetor. Let's get BB or whatever it is.
Definitely not a part of Team Fuel.
Seal on the brass. Right here, Paul. It's just a little leaky. But we're
I
gonna
need my
fix
step ladder again.
it. Sorry.
That's right.
Ugh. But fuel pump's working.
Yeah.
Let me get on this side.
So you're saying Team Fuel Pump took the day?
Team fuel pump did good.
team spill gas all over the car engine.
You ain't gonna hurt it, man.
Give me a second.
Give me a second.
Yeah, but let's get that off because of the paint. Here, right here. What's that?
Fuck yeah.
Okay, so I could leave and not be blamed for it not working right.
You're right.
You can leave. That's the answer. You can leave,
Bye.
and then later things will happen and be said, and then you'll talk about it
We'll
from
let you know
then.
how it goes.
This.
Right?
Oh, I gotta download 2 videos too.
This part too.
So we just airdrop them to Bobby.
Bobby tried.
And it didn't work?
I have no idea.
Are you on our Wi-Fi?
Yes.
Or Wi-Fi?
Yes.
Just
I don't know.
How do you
Becky
watch
couldn't
these
figure it out.
videos?
on Bobby's channel?
Well, does it have like a name or?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll send it to you.
Yeah, we'll get it over to you. That way you'll have all the details.
And they're probably all on since we're working on the board, right?
Oh yeah,
Mhm.
there's hundreds
Like
of
a year's worth. Of,
Yeah, he has everything.
There's a couple thousand videos. I don't know yet. Well, between not just that, between customer stuff.
Wow.
Everything's video.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, so you just put a washer on that.
Brush wash.
Hi, Alvin.
So you do a metal one versus a
Who?
Hi, Alvin. I'm sorry, I ate in the kitchen.
Let's try. Let's hope this works, because if not, I'll pull the one out of the kit I brought.
That surface feel like it was reasonably flat.
Sorta.
We did a little emery cloth, I guess, if
Okay, I need half.
Busy for a Monday night at the airport.
Season's coming. Suddenly the airplanes all night and day.
not. So you can really crank on it.
Alright. Okay, Paul, let's try it. But if it piddles, we'll tell you to turn it off.
Yeah,
the
pull
rag.
that. Yeah.
Move the rag.
Come on. Does this car have a name? No?
Yellow bubbles.
Oh, still leaking. Stop. Out of the side.
Yeah.
I don't know if we can crank it hard enough.
That's 3/4 up.
Let's tell him, Paul, try it one more time.
Try it again.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Wait, hold
Hang on
on.
a sec.
It's binding up here now. Let's. Okay, try it. No, it's still leaking. And it's leaking up here now too.
Do we
The
need a new
hose split.
hose? Oh, no. Do we have small hose like that?
I think so.
5/16, yeah.
Um,
All right, I'm gonna pull the one out of my kit while we're.
upstairs maybe? Or do you have some down here?
Woo!
Yeah, God, you guys are
Oh, dear.
amazing resource.
Oh, where's that rag?
We'll get it in a second. Let me pop this off.
So the good thing is it runs fine.
We just gotta get this fuel leak stopped, and then we'll let it warm up and adjust the
It's a
idle.
slight fire hazard at the moment.
Just a little bit, but we're gonna take care of
It's
it.
okay, but we know where the fire extinguishers are. We're not gonna get to that
Okay, I'm
point
gonna
though.
get the.
Thomas más gasolina. You guys remember that song?
Oh, yeah, of course. We should have been playing that.
Here, air pop my phone or whatever.
Air pop. Just mash the potatoes. We'll be fine. All right. Well, I'm still videoing.
You're videoing cleaning at this